Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I want to ask, have you planted petunia seeds yet? Do you like petunias? Do you grow petunias in the garden? In this video, I want to show how I sow petunia seeds and why I am doing it right now. Today is February 9th. I think you know that a petunia's growing season from sowing to planting is approximately 2.5 or 3 months. This means that if I sow today, February 9th, and I will have young full-fledged plants for planting in the garden in the first decade of May. I live in hardiness zone 5B, so this is the best time to plant petunias in garden beds in my area. Of course, if you are planning to sow petunia seeds, you should think ahead of time about when you will plant petunias in a flower bed. The timing of sowing and the timing of planting petunias depend on the region where you live. Why did I schedule the seed planting for February 9th? I will do some more necessary operations during the growing period of young petunia plants. First of all, I will dive petunia seedlings. Then I will plant small petunia plants in small seedling containers and grow these flowers in such containers until the plant is planted in open ground. Plant containers will grow in a warm plant nursery. In early May, the petunia will be moved to the terrace. If you do not have the opportunity to grow small petunia plants in a plant nursery, you can delay sowing the seeds a little. Petunia grows well on the windowsill, but needs additional lighting. The reason is that on winter and spring days there is not enough daylight, so additional lighting is needed. I sow petunia seeds in light, breathable soil, which consists of peat, biohumus, and vermiculite. First, I will make small trenches for sowing, and then I will place petunia seeds there at a distance of about ½ inch each. Next, I'll do a light dusting of sand. Petunia has very small seeds, so they cannot be sown deep. You can sow petunia seeds simply on the surface of the prepared soil. After the emergence of sprouts, I will dive young petunia plants. It is very important to always visually check the presence of enough moisture in the container where the petunia seeds are sown. I do a visual inspection every day. I usually use professional seeds. The germination rate of such seeds is almost 100%. I want to recommend that you use a separate container for sowing each type of petunia. This is very important because the seeds of each variety of petunias germinate differently. Now you need to moisten the sown seeds. Friends, be sure to make sure that the seeds receive good and regular watering. This is the basis for good seed germination of any plant. After drip irrigation, the seeds should be covered with transparent glass or thin transparent polyethylene. Next, we will wait for the moment of the emergence of seedlings. The temperature to be maintained during the sowing period of petunia seeds is 72 to 77 degrees Fahrenheit or 22 to 25 degrees Celsius. At this temperature, petunia seeds will germinate in about 3 to 4 days. This is a very important point. After germination, the glass should be removed and the temperature should be lowered to 18 to 20 degrees Celsius or 68 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit. You also need to install a lamp to illuminate the seedlings.
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me.
I hope this video on sowing petunia seeds was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and click like to support my channel. See you later.